guys, it's Kelly from Cowtown Cottages in Waxahachie, Texas. And I'm so excited because we brought our famous Falcon back to the dealership. This is one of our original signature designs, and so I'm really excited to share it with you today. When you come into this house, as you can see, a really nice sized living room. So this is a full sofa, 2 really large chairs. Obviously, once again, we put art on the wall where a TV should go. You could do a chest there. You could do another table there. There's a number of things you could do with that space. You even have space for a little ottoman for your feet if you wanted to in this particular design. But the other thing I love about it is this super efficient kitchen. So come see what I designed. So in here, you have everything you need just so concisely. And whoever's at the stove is not bumping into the person at the sink. I love that. I've also given you this 2-seater bar top for eat-in dining, which is a must-have. Now, when we first launched this floor plan, we launched it with the loft over the kitchen. And so that is still an option for you. If you need a loft that has 2 queen beds, then you're gonna wanna have that loft over the kitchen. But this time we opted to do it with no loft so that the openness carried into the kitchen for those of you who like tall ceilings. So the other thing that you can do is that you can make it to where this side of the loft rail is wall so that you could have made these 42-inch cabinets. I opted to not do that and keep the soffit because I wanted the openness of the rail in the L shape. So once again, when you design with Cowtown, you have options, and those are just some of your options in the kitchen, okay? So as we come through the kitchen, you have, your dish storage here, dishwasher here, you have great drawers here, still have your storage here for spices and other things like that. But you might be thinking, Kelly, that's not a lot of storage in the kitchen, but don't give up on me. Come down here. We have our signature little linen in the hallway. So here you can do linen, you can do food storage, you can do kitchen prep item equipment at the bottom. So this is great storage again for this house. But the other thing I designed into this house was the countertop washer and dryer. People love this feature, and it's really hard to get this feature in every floor plan. So you can make it a coffee bar, you can make it folding station, you can stand and have a workstation, right? Where you put your laptop and then you're just getting exercise because you're not sitting down working. So this is a wonderful feature to have that is hard to do. But now I want to show you another one of my favorite parts about this specific design, and that is the bathroom. It's very rare to get a bathroom this large in a tiny home. Come on. So in this bathroom, you can see you have a full vanity of storage, 6 drawers, a cabinet. You have this storage here on top of the countertop. This is great for towels. It's great for hair products, all of the things there. And you still have plenty of space over on this side of the sink for makeup, getting ready, even maybe a little cute lamp to add more lighting. We also have the medicine cabinet and this great walk-in shower. And I know I've told y'all before, but if you wanted a tub in this bathroom, then we could do that. It would just eat into that linen pantry about 6 inches. So we're in love with this bathroom because it definitely feels like a foundation built bathroom in its size. So come on to the bedroom. In the bedroom, once again, signature design with the closets. We have the great accent. I love doing a wood wall as the bed wall because it makes it feel like a headboard without eating into the space of the room with an actual headboard. So his and hers closets. We also have what we do signature in every model that we build is we do the 2 rods. So that gives you 5 feet essentially when you combine linear footage. A rod there and a rod there, double. And so that makes it for great storage. And then that would be it. That is the bedroom. And then we're going to come back out and I'm just going to briefly show you the loft and we'll go from there. In this particular loft, it is the perfect size for just 1 bedroom or a home office. So we opted for the rebar. You have a couple of options when it comes to the loft and what kind of loft rail you want. You can do rebar, you can do metal pickets, you could do a solid wall if you wanted more privacy. You could wall it all the way up if you wanted. So this home is our Falcon. We love it. I hope you love it. Come see us in Waxahachie. Thanks for watching.